Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memory.
Hello folks, it's the second day of Vlogmas, and Carolyn and Dan's going to be making some little Christmas tree ornaments. This would be something good if you have little youngins, or have great big youngins. To make little ornaments there, you can buy them at the dollar store, and you just make them. I think they'll be making some today, and then they'll be having some more here coming up in another video. You'll just have to bear with us, folks. A little under the weather right now. Got that old nasty C virus. But let's get started. Now how easy is that, folks? Look at that. Stuff's already cut out for you to put where it goes. Great job there, Dan. Now let's see what Carolyn's going to be making. Now there's several of these in each one of the packs. And you've got the little strings to hang them up with. Oh, Carolyn's making Santa Claus. And it's just got the adhesive backing there you pull off. Now I think Carolyn said maybe the snowflakes, you've got to use glue with those, but I think it provided the glue with it. I think that'll probably be in one of the next videos that are coming up. There, look how cute those are. Great job, Carolyn. Folks, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. I'd like to thank y'all for watching, and you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching. We'll be seeing you soon.